Starting off is the Toyota Matrix. Think of it as a Corolla in hatchback form, but with way more practicality. It comes with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder producing around 132 horsepower, while the XRS trim gets a stronger 158 horsepower 2.4-liter engine. It offers plenty of cargo space, gets around 30 mpg, and is famous for Toyota reliability. Clean examples usually sell for around $5,500 to $9,500, making it one of the best budget hatchbacks you can buy. Next up is the Toyota Avalon. If you want luxury without the luxury price tag, this is the one. Under the hood sits a 3.5-liter V6, making 268 horsepower, allowing it to reach 60 miles per hour in around 6.5 seconds. It's smooth, quiet, incredibly comfortable, and loaded with premium features for its age. Expect to pay anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000 for a clean example. Next up is the Toyota Celica GTS is one of Toyota's coolest affordable sports cars. It packs the legendary 1.8-liter 2ZZ GE engine, producing around 180 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual in most GTS models. Weighing just over 2,500 pounds, it feels quick, agile, and loves high RPM. Prices usually range from $7,000 to $10,000, making it an awesome entry-level sports car. Before moving on to the next car, if you're enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. Next up is the Toyota Camry. Most models come with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder making 178 horsepower, while the V6 version pumps out over 260 horsepower and reaches 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. It's comfortable, fuel-efficient, and known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. Expect prices between $8,000 and $10,000. Need something with more space? Meet the Toyota RAV4. It offers either a 166 horsepower four-cylinder or a surprisingly powerful 269 horsepower V6, making it one of the quickest compact SUVs of its time. With available all-wheel drive, great reliability, and loads of practicality, it's easy to see why people love it. Clean examples usually cost around $7,500 to $10,000. Next up is the Toyota Corolla S. Its 1.8-liter engine produces 132 horsepower, delivers up to 35 mpg, and can easily last well over 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. It's cheap to insure, inexpensive to repair, and one of the smartest used cars you can buy. Prices generally range from $8,500 to $10,000. If saving money on gas is your priority, meet the Toyota Prius. Its hybrid system combines a 1.8-liter engine with an electric motor for a total of 134 horsepower. But the real highlight is its incredible 50 mpg fuel economy. It's comfortable, reliable, and can save you thousands at the pump. Expect to pay around $8,000 to $10,000. Finding a reliable pickup under 10 grand isn't easy, but the Toyota Tacoma is worth every penny. Available with either a four-cylinder or a 190 horsepower V6, this truck has built a legendary reputation for durability. Many examples have crossed 300,000 miles and are still going strong. Prices usually fall between $8,000 and $10,000, depending on condition. At number 2 is the Toyota Scion TC. Although it wears the Scion badge, it's built by Toyota. Under the hood is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, producing around 180 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. Add the panoramic glass roof and sporty styling for around $7,500 to $10,000. And taking the number 1 spot is the Toyota Corolla XRS. It combines Corolla reliability with extra performance thanks to a 2.4-liter engine producing 158 horsepower, along with a sport-tuned suspension for sharper handling. It's practical enough for everyday driving, but still fun when the road gets twisty. With prices ranging from $8,500 to $10,000, it's one of the best all-around Toyotas you can buy on a budget.